Oh.
Hell
Yo.
no, man.
Look at my tire. Fuck. Yo, what's up, yo? Welcome back to another video. Today we on BeamNG again, career mode. The RLS mod. You know, we got the cops, we got the speeding tickets, all that shit. So this shit real like real life. You know what I'm saying? This episode 2. If y'all didn't peep the first episode, go watch it before you watch this one, cause y'all get the lore behind this car right here. This car, it's been through a lot. Not gonna lie. But today we finna do some more races and shit like that. Let's see what race. What race? Oh, we got some new races. We did these. Now we have these two. I'm gonna do this one. It's that route. Let's go to it. Let's try not to crash this time. Oh, I gotta start my car. There we go. How am I supposed to fit through this? I just tapped it. Oh hell no, I'm going this way. You got me fucked up. Oh shit. Let's go. Bro, I'm actually so tired. I'm not gonna lie, but I have to make a video for y'all, you know? Gotta stay on that grind. Oh, break. We don't want to go on the other side of the road. There we go. Ooh, that bitch sounds so good. Oh, that's a cop in front of us. My fault, officer. Officer. Oh, I don't want to run from them yet until I actually, like, upgrade my car. Because I'm scared. I don't want to fuck up my car. Can it turn green already? God damn. There you go. I'm out. Is this the race? Alright. Let's get this race. Start challenge. Let's get this race done. Alright, let's do this shit. Let's do this shit. Oh shit, I don't even know where we're going. Oh, jump. Alright, looks like we're turning up here. Damn, nigga, move. Oh shit. Oh, we're good. Oh, he crashed. Oh shit. That nigga's dead. That nigga's dead. Oh, we're turning.
Hell
Yo,
no, man.
look at my tire. Oh, I'm cooked. Nah, I gotta restart. I just got karma right there. Damn. Alright, this one's the one. I can feel it in my bones. This one's the one. We're gonna go in third person for this. He's dead as fuck. Turn. Good turn. Good turn. Yep, this is a good run. Let's see if we can catch this car though. I don't know why this car is so fast. Bro, what? Yo, I don't know what happened. The footage corrupted. I did the race, but we're gonna do another race. We're gonna do another race, the other one. This one. Yep. Let's go to this one. Alright. That race, that shit was low-key hard as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm actually mad that the footage got corrupted because I was stressing. Alright. Let's go into this one. Alright. Let's do this shit. Ooh. What is this car? I just fucked up my transmission low key. Squeeze in there. Come on. We got this shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Don't. No. Fuck, bro. Fuck. Fuck. I don't know if my was the right way. It was not. It's okay, we caught it. 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 Oh my god. I was scared. Come on, I'm actually locked in. I need to win this shit. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, what the fuck? Holy shit. I don't think I'm gonna win this bitch. I'm not even gonna lie. Nah, I can do it. I can do it. I can do anything in life. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm not full dead. I'm not full dead. Bro, get out of my fucking way, nigga. God damn. My radiator's fucked though. Oh. And now my engine's fucked. But we still keep it moving. Somehow. I can't even turn the car. I can't turn the car. Come on. We keep it moving. Oh, that's neutral. Oh my god. I just fried the transmission. Gotta turn. We gotta turn. We can still win this race. Maybe the first place guy, he maxed. Oh my gosh. It's so hard. It's overheating. My car's overheating. We gotta take it nice and slow. Holy shit. Fuck it. Come on. I'm not out yet. I'm not out yet. I don't know what button my headlights are, but we gonna make it regardless. I'm overheating. My pistons rings are damaged. I might be cooked here, chat. It might be the end. Please. Don't end me. Turn. My oil's overheating. My engine's breaking down. Guys, I don't think I'm gonna make it. Come on. I still have some power in the engine. Come on. Only a few more checkpoints I have to get through. I can do it. So many things are getting damaged. Oh, I'm cooked. Well, it was a good try. Come on. This is the one. Brake. Turn. Yup. Your brake. Turn. Okay. You fucking asshole. That dude's a fucking asshole. Shit, just keep it nice and steady. Oh shit. I'm actually locked the fuck in right now. Okay. I just spun out, but it's okay. Please hope this guy doesn't come and smoke me. Alright, we're good. Oh, we're good. I need to catch up to this dude. Catching up to this dude. Brake. Downshift. Come on, there's no way. Oh, my ear itches. Oh my god, oh my god. This is an intense battle right now. I don't have any headlights. I don't know where my headlight button is. I can't see anything. Oh, I'm dead. No, I'm not. I'm still alive. I can still catch up. No. 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 Come on, he can still mess up. I can't see anything. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I actually can't see shit. Oh, lights. I love to see lights. Oh my god. Let's hope he crashed. Because we need to get that first. Nah, I ain't going on. Oh shit. Brake. Turn. Come on. We can at least make it through the race. No. There we go. We at least made it. Oh, there we go. We at least made it through the race. We didn't get first, but we at least made it through the race. And that's what matters. We still got cash. We got bread. We can go. We can tow this to the garage, right? Then we go out the garage. Then we go to here. You see we have 12K. So what I want to do, I want to make this a drift car. So I think today we are going to purchase some parts. I think I'm going to, let's look at vehicles right now. Let's see some oh, rally, rock and rally right here. We got rally cars. But I want to build mine. I don't want to, what's it called? Yeah, I don't want one that's pre-made. Ooh, we should get a strip car and turn it. Ooh, that would be tough. No, we gotta do that. We gotta do that. Where are the strip cars at? Is it Smash Rollers? Yeah. 2015 K series. Nah. Huh. I think we're gonna get this one. We're gonna get this one and we're gonna sell the other car. We're gonna sell the other car. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. My vehicles come here, sell for 10K. Yes, sir. Give me my money, nigga. My fault. So first, I guess we gotta wait for this. All right. Retrieve. We finna go back in, purchase parts. Let's go in front of the car. Oh, we can't go in front. All right, so we need a front hood. Actually, let me see everything we got. All right, purchase parts, all parts, body. All right. Okay, alright, this is what we're gonna do first. We're gonna put this engine in it, which is 7 bands. We're gonna get a high performance radiator. Oh, wheels. There we go. Alright. Yeah, we want these boys. Let's put this in it for now. Just for now, we can sell it later. Boom. We got the new car. We finna upgrade this. It's finna be the car that we upgrade. You know what? If I can't be chased, I'll be the chaser. Yeah, that was lucky tough. Let me shut the fuck up. I need to chill out before I fuck up my car. Is that a cop? If that's a cop, I'm agonized. Fuck. And it antagonizing him. There we go, that's the word. I don't think it's a cop. Yeah, it is not a cop. this a cop? Nope. Is this a cop? Nope. Is this a cop? Nope. Come on, where are the cops at? Also, I'm going mad fast. Oh, I can't even see in first person. That's cracked as shit. Where are the cops at? Let me break. Alright. I think we're coming up. Is it right here? Yeah. Oh, I needed to brake earlier. Reverse. Bitch. God damn, I'm a retard. Come on, bro. Hope. There's no way I'm that dumb. Holy shit. Alright. We're gonna become the police today. We could do it way faster than that. Look, we already up. We already up there with him. He's gonna break. Never mind. We on you, nigga. Get that ass over here, boy. Get that ass over here, boy. Get that ass over here, boy. Yo, can you just... Oh, he's dead. He's fucking dead. You know what? Maybe we can't do better than that. You know, and that's okay. That's okay. Alright, anyways, if y'all enjoyed today's episode, make sure y'all like and subscribe. And click the notification button so y'all can see when I post. And yeah, I hope y'all liked it. And peace. When I look in her eyes, it remind me of a crow. Or a special ed need cause it's slow. And your only sort of payment your throat. Jerky met his head sitting on my lap. You say you not a whore, miss me with that cat. 1 man, 2 man, 3 man down. A rowdy little slut, yeah, she fucked the whole time. She go orbital on the dick, she always been around. 1 man, 2 man, shit.